Alright, so what I have here is this kind of cool deadbolt. It's got a quick set keyway. I picked it up at a Habitat for Humanity store. It was actually half off, so it was $1.50. I've actually picked it once, which is why you can see it's open. I believe it has 4 pins, and it definitely has security pins in there. So I'm going to try to open it up and gut it and see what we actually got. So in order to do that, though, first I'm going to remove all this stuff, just so I'm not holding it. It's a lot of weight. I'm pretty sure this lock is not a quick set. I'm not sure who the actual manufacturer is, although it is a quick set keyway, like I said. Alright, so now we got all that off. You can see the lock body there. So anyway, let me lock this thing back up, and we'll see if we can get it picked open. Alright, we're locked up. And this tension wrench might not do very good for me. No, that tension wrench is not going to work for me.
Luckily you have like a whole set.
Yes, luckily I have like a whole set of different style tension wrenches. Okay, yeah, that's going to be good. All right. So like I said, this does have security pins in it. So let me see here. All right. Actually tensioning this thing. There we go. A bit of a false set going here. It's funny, pin 1 seems like it's like stuck up, and it was there from the start. Not sure if it needs some loving or if it's already where it wants to be. And we're open. Alright, well, good. That didn't take too long. Nobody wants to watch a 8-minute video of somebody struggling with a lock. Let me get this tensioner out of here. Alright, let me flip it over. We're going to remove it from this faceplate. This screw right here just retains the core, I believe, to the faceplate. We'll put all that over there, and there's our lock. Let's see. I have another lock similar to this, but I'm not sure the brand. Maybe somebody can help me out. So let's push all this stuff to the side. Actually, I might need to get in here. I got my followers inside there. This nice 3D printed pinning tray that I got in the trade. And it has some followers inside. So, but I'm not actually going to use this tray. I'm going to use this one I made up yesterday. So, Okay. So here's our lock. Full disclosure, I have never gutted a lock before. This is going to be a first, and I'm doing it on video, so if it looks like I'm struggling around and don't really know what I'm doing, I got the lock locked back up.
That's great.
I'll tell you what, I'm gonna pick it open again. I'm gonna stop the video, pick it open again, and then continue with the gutting.